Today I come with some bad news, but I also have some good news. Let's start off right off the bat, bad news. We are going to be talking about the discontinued shades during the fall of 2020. I know. So when I saw the list, I was actually in awe for some of those because I'm like, no, there is no way that that's actually going to be discontinued because I think it's like an amazing seller and it looks amazing. But here we go. I'm going to quickly read through them. So if any of them pops up that you're like, no, not that one, make sure to get them. I would say contact me and see if I could get them for you before they're completely gone. I know I already saved myself some that I would like to continue to use every once in a while. So, but here it goes. For solids, we have 4 solids. It's going to be mainly moms, Ecuadorable, Portugal, and Holy Toledo. Yes, that's the 4 of them. Glitters, there is 4 of them. Party in the USA, oh, that's gonna be discontinued. Fiji Fuchsia, that's gonna be discontinued. Mardi Gras, can you believe that? If you haven't had a chance to try that one on, connect with me, connect with your stylist, connect and get one of those. It's amazing. Shangri-La is another one that I just can't believe it's discontinued. It's a beautiful sparkly one. I need to get my hands on one of those, or 2 or 3. Now, Glitter Nail Art Designs. Blush Hour is one of them. Bad Cromance, Daisy Me Rolling, Mermaid Brigade, What Are You Up To, and Paisley. Those 6 are being discontinued for Glitter Nail Art Designs. Nail Art Design will be Flora of the Story, Who. Try saying that 3 times fast. Want a Piece of Me, What the Check, For a Good Time, Kiss and Toy, Drop and Give Me Zan, and Northern Wonder. And now Clear Art Design. That's the overlay, the clear overlay that you put over solids or anything that you want to, spike it up. Palm Before the Storm and How's It Growing is the other one for the clear nail art. Petite, You Grow Girl is going to be discontinued. And for pedicure, Dansk All Night, that was like the nice pink with sparkles, that's gonna be discontinued. And Anything Goes, that's the mermaid pedicure line one, so that's also gonna be discontinued. So again, that's the list of the discontinued for fall 2020, and I will post a picture of all of them at the end of this video. Now, good news. There is good news too. The fall 2020 is coming. I will show you a brief picture of the colors that are coming. They are beautiful, they are dark, they are shiny, they are not shiny, and I think you're going to love it. I love it and I can't wait. So that's coming soon. Now I'll hook you up because believe it or not, I just ordered some today and I'll be getting that soon. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoy this. And remember, thumbs up is always a great thing. Comment below. Let me know how you feel about missing out on all of these. Or if you really wanted a certain one, comment, please. Let me know what you think. And let me know which one is your favorite for the fall line coming now, anytime. Bye.